Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today in this video we are going to learn a dua from Surah Ali Imran, verse number 9. The dua is Rabbana Innaka Jamiun Nasi, Li-Yawmin la Rayba Fihi, Innallaha la yukhliful miyad. Rabbana Innaka Jamiun Nasi, Li-Yawmin la Rayba Fihi, Innallaha la yukhliful miyad. To understand it more clearly, we will break down the dua word by word. Rabbana means our Lord. Innaka means indeed you. Rabbana means our Lord. Innaka means indeed you. Then comes Jami'un-Nasi. Jami'u means will gather. An-Nas means mankind. Jami'un-Nasi means will gather mankind. Li-Yawmin la Rayba Fihi. Yawm means day. La means no. Rayba means doubt. Fihi means in it. On a day, no doubt in it. Innallaha la yukhliful miyad. Inna means indeed. Allah is. Allah. La means not. Yukhliful means break. Miyad means promise. Indeed, Allah not break the promise. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Rabbana Innaka Jamiun Nasi, Li-Yawmin la Rayba Fihi, Innallaha la yukhliful miyad. Rabbana Innaka Jamiun Nasi, Li-Yawmin la Rayba Fihi, Innallaha la yukhliful miyad. The English translation is, Our Lord, indeed, you will gather the mankind on a day, there is no doubt in it. Indeed, Allah does not break the promise. Our Lord, indeed, you will gather the mankind on a day, there is no doubt in it. Indeed, Allah does not break the promise. Hope you have understood the meaning of this dua. Please recite it daily. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our Islamic channel.